It's time to party again. If you want. Very good. Now, I'm going to give you a little trilogy about businessmen. They're always ripping us off, so we get a chance to get back at them. Well, you're full of bitchy posers, you're a salesman, and you couldn't stop being a salesman if you wanted to. Whether you're selling your emotions or your girlfriend, you'll always be a salesman in your heart. Well, you plaster on a smile that you learned as a child to pacify your dad when he was mad, and you travel across the land, and you shake a bunch of hands, and then you tell them everything you've ever had. Say there, buddy, where you from? Oh yeah, well, we'll get there too, cause that's where my great aunt's from. And I opened up a business breaking down cars and turning them into drums. Let me tell you, we made a fortune at the parties we had, oh my. Let me tell you, Holy Mother of Michelangelo. Well, you're full of bitchy posings and you're a salesman, and you couldn't stop being a salesman if you wanted to. Whether you're selling a Lamborghini or a grapefruit, you'll always be a salesman in your heart. Well, say there, honey, what you like to do? Oh yeah, I love skiing too. You know, I once taught a guy out in Tahoe who won 3 medals back in '82. See, I'm a likable guy. Just take a look in my deep blue eye. Now step right up and fill your cup. The water's only 25 bucks. Well, you're full of bitchy posing, you're a salesman, and you couldn't stop being a salesman if you wanted to. Whether you're selling your emotions or your girlfriend, you'll always be a salesman in your heart. Why you plaster on a smile that you learned as a child to pacify your dad when he was mad, and you travel across the land, and you shake a bunch of hands, and then you sell them everything you've ever had. Twister the kazoo. Negative Ralph also plays the kazoo. Tiny little insects with those bombs are backing them. This makes the giants get brought down to size of 2, almost the same size as me. And sometimes they walk through the city in fancy shoes. Oh no, what happened? They stepped in a poo-poo. Well, since they don't have a spare shoe in their pocket, it seems not much better off than me. So why do you care what they put in their hair? Why do you care what they say? Because we're all just humans who need to leave room in our lives to deal with things that suck. Well, sometimes they cruise in a new Lamborghini and drive in the city seats, scope a bikini. They get distracted and take out a hydrant. It seems that's much worse off than me. Now being a celebrity doesn't sound fun to me. You can't just cruise down the beach on a Saturday, and you can't go late night to Anthony's Pizza and have a slice of soda in peace. So why do you care what they put in their hair? Why do you care what they say? Because we're all just humans who need to leave room in our lives to deal with things that suck. you. Negative round. Now, does anybody have a good time yet? As you can see, everyone's getting tired. It's about time for bed, isn't it? Yep, it's about time for sleepy time. All right. Hey, can you give me an orgothuamine? Orgothuamine. Insti papa. Yeah. Thank you. I needed that. Do you guys want to have a special guest? You want to see what my wife's like? You're like wondering what's this guy like. How many people have never seen my wife? How many people have never seen my wife on TV or in the movies or on posters? How many people have never seen my wife? Now, I bring her up, you'll recognize her, and you'll be like, that's your wife? You crazy clown, like kind of pudgy, just like unshaven, whatever. That's your wife? I want you guys to go, what? What? That's your wife? What? What? That's your wife? Come on. What? What? That's your wife? 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 She got boots on. She got boots on. Bouncy, bouncy, that's my wifey. And a month's gone and auntie. Yeah. Hannah Montana go auntie. Ibanunti, cutty. Hey. Well, in order to become my wife, she had to pass a test. Because today you need to pass a test. Actually, we called her grandpa up after getting engaged, and he was like, you know what? You need to pass a test. It was really cute. I was like, oh, well, I guess I should have talked to you first, maybe. Anyways, so her test that she had to pass for me, I'm still failing every day, and it's a miracle that she's still with me. So would you please give a hand for Mouse Princess? One of my songs called Mr. McFoo. It's from an alien language. Please get ready to do the little dance. She likes it when you go like this because that makes cheese in the air and mice love cheese.
Chipper out spot check the leaves. Third door, rumble over mortgage on spill. Never thought the knock cat was born up the sill. Look the man's got your plan, bubbled up the mirror, up the stairs. Was it really worth the trouble? Roll over on your back, spatula smack your lap. And how the thunder butters, people look like you now. Do you wash in the tub or give your buddy a scrub? Or is it only in the dark that you trip the job? Up now we had a love stubby and a joke jack quicks back. And never looking back tough. Cause it's time to take a ride on the side of the triple wide over our galaxy set. Skipping up these, marked up the bees, skirts, gaps, scapulax, cover arch steeds. No time to die up, try up, withering a flower, death rose, breath, doors, watch, please. Mr. McFoo, tell me about the fourth dimension. Mr. McFoo, tell me about number cats, stay on the green.
What?
Cause you're used to Cooper Cat
You don't know, neither do I. That's why we're lost in the middle of the sky. Cause you heard about up, you know about down. You're ready to get it circling around and around. You know about spatulas, rocket shoots, and clowns. But have you ever heard of a snurd or a sound? Mystery food, tell me about the fourth dimension. Mystery food, tell me about never gets down the green. Mystery food, tell me about the fourth dimension. Mystery food, tell me about never gets down the green. Very nice. Thank you very much. Thank you for being my wife. Let me just hold the foot up. Hold the foot up. Hey! Someone was kind to a clown, wasn't they? Kind to a clown. Thank you. All right. Well, that was pretty fun. How about we chill it out for a second while I play it like a guitar? It's called Country Bob's Front Porch Idea. Just kidding. I would like to please give a shout out to why I feel so good right now, better than I would otherwise. His name, I think, is Jacob Liskoviak. Now, I don't know, maybe you're all full and you don't want any more clients. Should I not tell him? Should I not tell him? Is it okay? If you ever want to get your spine aligned, if you ever want to find out why you've been screwed up for years and years and years, if you ever want to wonder why you're feeling downtrodden, like life's bulldozing you and you don't know what medicines to take, you go see Jacob Liskoviak. He will cure you of what ails. And he'll leave you feeling like you have the answer within you all along. Very good. Very nice. Thank you very much. And if you were not in the mood for a chiropraction, you might want to go see his, what seems like his wife, but I don't know, Alana Lisnibliosis. I don't know what her last name is, but she does a great job over there too. You can go see him later. Now, the reason I was hooking them up with some advertising is because they're very nice, and I did that. He doesn't speak in English when he does it. It's like, come over here. Just kidding. This is a very nice man. He's inspiring. What a friendly guy. How about all the friendly people in St. Augustine here? Oh, Public, let me just give you a hug real quick. Public hug. He's about to come up and play some guitar in a couple songs. Thank you, Micah. And thank you to Lauren too. Public hug. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. And this is very good. I thank you to Nessa and Tori for putting us up in their house. And thank you to all St. Augustine for showing me so much friendliness. You know, I'm a stranger. And to Corey Peterson for ripping the sax yesterday. Having me up on stage in front of a bunch of people. I heard there's some wild stuff going on down here, and you guys are ready to receive the wild knowledge. So I will tell you what the wild knowledge is. It's what I renamed my body parts. I like to name my body parts so that they feel included. I gave female names to the concave ones and male to the ones that protruded. Yeah. Well, my mouth is Debbie and my nose is Steve. My ears are Jasper Jason and my chin goes in, so I named it Lynn. And my arms are Mark and Mason. I like to name my body parts so that they feel included. I gave female names to the concave ones and male to the ones that protruded. Well, my left foot's Larry and my right foot's Mike. My legs are both named Larry, and I got the name, so I call it Ginny. And my butt is hairy. What's my butt's name? 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 Now we have a special verse for the girls. Girls, please make a circle around me. Make a circle, women. Special verse for the women. Close the circle. I like to name my body parts so that they feel more special. And if I was a girl, I'd give alien names to the parts that were artificial. Let me say it again. I like to name my body parts so that they feel more special. And if I was a girl, I'd give alien names to the parts that were artificial. Now let's think of some good names for some fake dupipandas. As we say in my language, dupipandas, dupipandas, dupipandas. Lola pipa pipa, dupipandas, a dupipandas, dupipandas. Oh, lick it down, down, dupipandas, a dupipandas, a dupipandas. No licky licky lam down, dupipandas, a dupipandas, a dupipandas. No licky licky lam down, dupipandas, dupipandas, dupipandas. No licky licky lam down, dupipandas, dupipandas, dupipandas. No licky licky lam down, dupipandas, dupipandas, dupipandas. No licky licky, come on, dupipandas, dupipandas, dupipandas. No licky licky lam down, dupipandas, dupipandas, dupipandas. No licky licky lam down. Actually, the words I was going to use were metaboobsanoo. Can you say metaboobsanoo? Metaboobsanoo. And memorynopias. Now, repeat after me. Give me a second, okay? I'll lift my leg when it's time to repeat. This is one of the final choruses you'll have to sing, okay? Metaboobsanoo and memorynopias. Metaboobsanoo and memorynopias. Metaboobsanoo and memorynopias. Yeah. Metaboobsanoo and memorynopias. Metaboobsanoo and memorynopias. Metaboobsanoo and memorynopias. Show some love for those baked it, yeah. Metaboobsanoo and memorynopias. Oh yeah. Metaboobsanoo and memorynopias. Wow. Metaboobsanoo. Memorynopias. Memorynopias. Now, let me ask you, when I say, where the hell did Bob go? Can you say, Bob jumped over the fence? Where the hell did Bob go?
Bob jumped over the fence!
It's exactly where Bob went. This is about my dad who goes, ha 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 ha, when he laughs naturally. Bob jumped over the fence, Bob jumped over the fence, Bob jumped over the fence today. Ha ha ha, Bob jumped over the fence, Bob jumped over the fence, Bob jumped over the fence today. Ha ha ha, where the hell did Bob go?
Bob jumped over the fence!
Where the hell did Bob go?
Bob jumped over the fence!
He had a transformation.
Bob jumped over the fence!
Bob jumped over the fence today. Ha ha ha. Bob jumped over the fence. Bob jumped over the fence. Bob jumped over the fence today. Ha ha ha. Bob jumped over the fence. Bob jumped over the fence. Bob jumped over the fence today. Ha ha ha. Now this is the side of the fence where Bob used to live, where regular people dance the regular fence dance. Y'all seen a fence dance before, haven't you? And that side of the fence was a nice side to live. At least that's how it looked at the first glance. But then one day, it started to look so gray. The other side of the fence looked so bright and happy and gay. But there he was wrong-sided, his heart all in dismay. So he had a great idea, and he put it into play. What did he do? Bob jumped over the fence, Bob jumped over the fence, Bob jumped over the fence today. Ha ha ha. Bob jumped over the fence, Bob jumped over the fence, Bob jumped over the fence today. Ha ha ha. Where the hell did Bob go?
Bob jumped over the fence!
Where the hell did Bob go?
Bob jumped over the fence!
Where the hell did Bob go?
Bob jumped over the fence!
Bob jumped over the fence today. Ha 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 ha. Where did Bob go?
Bob jumped over the fence!
Where did Bob go?
Bob jumped over the fence!
Where did Bob go?
Bob jumped over the fence!
Bob jumped over the fence. We need one volunteer of small, relatively small bodice.
Don't look at me!
You're like my height.
Now you guys have to say. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to just lie on there and make the airplane out towards the audience. Yeah. Yes. Yes. And put the hands forward.
That's like a serious chord right now. But that's
Yeah, you're good. Or you can put them on your head if you want. Okay, you guys, come on. Bob jumped over the fence. 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 Bob jumped. Thank you very much, Casey. What a good volunteer. Very good. Now, may I punch you into the crowd? May I punch? Okay, you go to the edge of the stage, and I'll punch you back to your mat. Ready? Punch! Oh, it's a success! Give me a field goal sign! It's good! Yes! Yeah! Woman puncher! Woman puncher! Woman puncher! He punted all night. Woman puncher! Woman he punted all night. Boy, do I make up good songs. Yeah, woman puncher, that's right. All right, now we have a very special guest who's quite a ripping guitarist. He's going to come up and play a song about one of the two most epic and true moments of my life. Okay? It's about something that happened after partying all night. Hey, give a hand to Ryan for presenting Sarbez. Is that the place or the juice bar? I'll be playing at the Vine Bakery tomorrow, and then on Sunday at a wild festival called Just Fest. Imagine that, Just Fest. I'll be like, hey. So it's just E minor. Okay, you want to stay up for one more? Okay. And can we get Micah's wife and my wife up to share a microphone? Real quick. This is a real easy one. This is the grand finale of the night. Where's the mice? Where are the mice? And how about special guest? No, you can dance if you want. I just want you to sing, yes, I've been to a fweathering ibujjnuxx party. It's very easy. Okay, we have some celebrities in the house. Alright, so this will be the chorus, and they'll help you sing the chorus. We have Lauren Gilliam! And Lauren Eggleston, Mouse Princess! And are we allowed to use your name, ma'am? Miss?
Madonna.
And we have Madonna! Alright. Now here's how the game goes. Can you say the words? Chorus, can you say weathering with an F? Say weathering. Now say fweathering. Now there's a word that's spelled ibujjnuxx, ibujjnuxx. Can you say ibujjnuxx? Now can you say fweathering ibujjnuxx? Now let's drill that into our skulls for a few minutes, okay? Fweathering ibujjnuxx. 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 Now here's how it goes. This is called the fweathering ibujjnuxx party. First I ask you, it's a series of questions. I ask you, have you ever been? And you'll know what the answer is, okay? And you guys answer with them. I'll sing it twice, and then you sing it twice. And the thing is that I don't resolve it, and you do resolve it. So I'm like this. For example, have you ever been to a fweathering ibujjnuxx party? Have you ever been to a fweathering ibujjnuxx party? And then they're all, no, we've never been to a fweathering ibujjnuxx party. No, we've never been to a fweathering ibujjnuxx party. Okay? You got that? So this is going to be fun. Because this is, how many people have never been to a fweathering ibujjnuxx party? Alright! It's the best party in the world. Madonna gave me the tights, by the way. How do you like them? They're Canadian tights. Yeah, Neil Young made them while he was screwing Joni Mitchell. Hey, yeah, they were watching Rush. Now, have you ever been to a fweathering ibujjnuxx party? No. Have you ever been to a fweathering ibujjnuxx party? No. Have we ever been to a fweathering ibujjnuxx party? No, we've never been. Well, would you like to go to a fweathering ibujjnuxx party? Yeah. Would you like to go to a fweathering ibujjnuxx party? Yes, we'd like to go. Alright! Well, can I take you to a fweathering ibujjnuxx party? Can I take you to a fweathering ibujjnuxx party? Alright, I got it. at the fweathering ibujjnuxx party.
Yeah!
Here we are at the fweathering ibujjnuxx party. You say here we are, yeah.
Here we are at the fweathering ibujjnuxx party. Here we are at the fweathering ibujjnuxx.
Let's all sing that together. Yeah. Here we are at the fweathering ibujjnuxx party.